Do not post anything on Instagram until you watch this video and activate these particular settings I'm about to show you in order to go viral on every post on Instagram. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is open up your Instagram app. So I'm going to click on here to open up my Instagram app. The next thing you need to do is to simply click on your profile icon right here. Then the next thing you need to do is to click on this three slider. It's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down, all the way down, and make sure you go to cross posting. It's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do, click on account center. That's going to take you right here. So at this point here, if you have not connected your Facebook to your Instagram, make sure you connect it. And once you connect it, you have your Facebook post right here. Lastly, under automatically share, make sure this three button here is turned on. So I'm going to simply turn this on, and this one and this one. It's as simple as that. Then you can go ahead now and post on your Instagram and see more visibility, more engagement, more likes, and more followers to your Instagram page. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.